Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to today's English class. Today, let us start with our second unit, Games and Sports. We have 3 readings in the given unit. Reading A, True Height. Reading B, What is a Player? Poem. Reading C, VVS Lakshman, very special. So these 3 lessons has only one theme, games and sports. So today let us go through the reading A, True Height. Dear students, read the following quotation. Dream, dream and dream high. For dreams lead to thoughts and thoughts lead to actions. What according to you does this quotation express? Did you understand the given quotation, children? So, according to me, this quotation expresses that one should have a dream. So, each and everybody should have a dream. Dream means a goal or an ambition. What is meant by dream here, children? Dream means a goal or an ambition. If a person has a goal in life, he or she thinks about it seriously. When a person thinks about it, he or she takes up a plan of action in order to get success. So it is essential to have a goal in life. In the given lesson, True Height, Michael Stone wanted to become a pole vaulter to fulfill his dream. So let us see whether he fulfilled his dream. This story talks about the feelings of an athlete as he pursues his dream. So this story talks about the feelings of an athlete. Who is the athlete in the given lesson? Michael Stone. What is meant by athlete? What is the meaning of athlete here? A person who takes part in sports competition. A person who takes part in sports competition as he pursues his dream. Meaning of pursues, to follow somebody. That means an athlete. Who is the athlete? Michael Stone always used to have a dream. Read about a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as he prepares to take the ultimate test of his sports career. So now let us read about the nerve-wracking means making you, meaning of nerve-wracking, making you very nervous or worried. It makes very nervous for all because Michael Stone prepares to take the ultimate test of his sports career. It is an inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. So it is an inspiring, meaning of inspiring, causing a feeling of respect and fear or admiration. It makes everybody, it makes us, Michael Stone, feel respect as he's going to have the ultimate test in his sports career. He is going to achieve that will leave you breathless. Meaning of breathless, having difficulty in breathing. We all feel breathless when he is taking part in the competition. His palms were sweating. Who is his in the given lesson? Michael Stone's. Michael Stone's palms were sweating. Meaning of palms, it is a part of your hand. His palms were sweating. He needed a towel to dry his grip. So what did he need there? He needed a towel to dry his grip because he is losing his grip. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. So a glass of ice water quenched. Meaning of quenched, to satisfy your feeling of thirst by drinking of liquid. To satisfy your thirst, as he is feeling thirsty, he drank a glass of ice water but hardly cooled his intensity. It couldn't cool his intensity because as he was facing a competition at the National Junior Olympics. As he is facing a competition in the National Junior Olympics, he is feeling little bit intense. The AstroTurf he sat on was as hot as the competition he faced today at the National Junior Olympics. Meaning of AstroTurf, a type of artificial grass surface used especially for sports ground. You can see in the sports ground the grass, whatever the artificial grass surface you will be having in the sports ground. It is called AstroTurf. So Michael Stone sat on the AstroTurf as it was very hot. How it was hot? As because he was facing the competition at the National Junior Olympics. The pole was set at 17 feet. How much it was set? The pole was set at 17 feet. That was 3 inches higher than his personal best. So how much it was more than his personal best, his physical best, more than his physique? It is how much it is more there? 3 inches more. Michael Stone confronted the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. So Michael Stone confronted, meaning of confronted, to think about. So he is thinking about the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. It is the most challenging day in his pole vaulting career. Meaning of pole vaulting, a sport in which you use a long pole to swing over a high barrier. You can see in the picture here, a sport in which you use a long pole to swing over a long barrier. The stands were still filled with about 20,000 people, even though the final race had ended an hour earlier. So how many were standing in this court there? Totally how many were there? It is the stadium was fully filled with how many people? 20,000 people, and everybody are waiting for the final race. The pole vault is truly the glamorous event of any track and field competition. It is the truly glamorous event. It is a glamorous event, so it attracts in each and every field competition. The sportsman combines the grace of a gymnast with the strength of a body builder. The sportsman combines the grace, meaning of grace, the ability to move in a smooth and controlled way. The ability to move in a smooth and controlled way. So a sportsman combines both in a gymnastic with the strength of a body builder. Pole vaulting also has the element of flying, and the thought of flying as high as a 2-storied building is a mere fantasy to anyone watching such an event. So the thought of flying as high as a 2-storied building is a mere fantasy to anyone. That means, what is the meaning of fantasy? An act of imagining things. So everybody, those who are standing there, they are imagining that a person who is flying, who is jumping from a 2-storied building. Today, it is not only Michael Stone's reality and dream, it is his quest. So it is not only to fulfill Michael Stone's reality and dream, it is his quest. Means meaning of quest, a long search for something that gives happiness. So if he fulfills his dream, he feels very happy. As long as Michael could remember, he had always dreamed of flying. So Michael always used to dream. His dream was to fly high. Michael's mother read him numerous stories about flying when he was growing up. So Michael's mother used to read him numerous stories, meaning of numerous, many stories about flying when he was growing up. Her stories were always the ones that describe the land from a bird's eye view. Meaning of bird's eye view, view of all the aspects of something, to something achievement, to achieve something. Her stories used to made Michael to achieve his goal. Her excitement and passion for details made Michael's dream full of color and beauty. So her excitement and passion, meaning of passion, very strong feeling. Her strong feeling made Michael's dream full of color and beauty. Michael had this one recurring dream. So what is the meaning of recurring? to happen again or many times. So, by the inspiration of his mother's stories, Michael used to have again and again the same dream. He would be running down a country road. So, what is his dream there? Always he would be running down at a country road, that means at a village road. He could feel the rocks and chunks of dirt at his feet. So, he could feel the rocks and the chunks. Meaning of chunks, a thick solid piece of something. So, he used to feel the rocks. Whenever his feet used to touch the rocks and chunks, he used to feel. As he raced down the golden light wheat fields, he would always outrun the locomotives passing by. So, whenever he raced down at the golden light wheat fields, you can see the golden colored wheat fields. He would always outrun the locomotives passing by. Meaning of locomotives, a powered railway vehicle used for pulling trains. You can see there. So, when a train passes by, he used to run by the side of the train. He used to participate. He used to take it as a challenge to go along with the train. He would begin soaring like an eagle. So, meaning of soaring, to fly high in the air. So, he used to begin like soaring like an eagle, means he used to fly high in the air. Where he flew would always coincide with his mother's stories. So, whenever he used to flew in the air, it used to coincide with his mother's stories. His dad, on the other hand, was not a dreamer. But whose dad? Michael Stone's dad was not a dreamer. He never used to dream. He is not a dreamer. He doesn't believe in dreams. Bert Stone. What was his name of his father? Bert Stone. Was a hardcore realist. Meaning of hardcore, strong. He believes in his strongness. Bert Stone was a hardcore realist. He believed in hard work and sweat. So, he always believes in hard work and sweat. His motto, meaning of motto, a saying that expresses aims and beliefs of a person. He says that if you want something, work for it. So, if you want anything, you have to work for it. From the age of 14, Michael did just that. So, from the age of 14, what did Michael do? He used to work for it. He began a very careful and regimented weightlifting program. So, he began a very careful and regimented, strict and organized. He is a very strict. So, father used to conduct him a very strict weightlifting program. He worked out every other day with weights, with some kind of running work on alternate days. So, few days he used to work, he used to put some weights, he used to take part with the weights and with some kind of running work for the alternate days. Alternate days he used to take part in the running, and another time he used to participate in the weightlifting program. The program was very carefully monitored by Michael's coach. So, what is the meaning of monitored? To check. It is the Michael's program was checked, monitored by the Michael's coach, trainer and father. Both the trainer and father used to take care of Michael. Michael's dedication, determination and discipline was a coach's dream. What was Michael's coach's dream? Dedication, determination and discipline. Besides being an honest student, Michael Stone continued to help his parents with the farm chores. So, beside an honest student, Michael Stone used to help his parents with the farm chores, with the farming works also. He used to help his parents. Michael's persistence in striving for perfection was not only his obsession but his passion. So, Michael's persistence, meaning of persistence, the fact of continuing in an opinion. He in striving, meaning of striving, to try very hard to do or get something. For perfection, meaning of perfection, the state of being perfect, was not only his obsession. Meaning of obsession, a state in which a person's mind is completely filled with a thought of one particular thing. So, completely he is having a thought in one particular thing, that is to dream, fly, dream high, fly. He developed passion and love for flying. This is part 1 of reading a true height. Once again, let us go through the glossary. AstroTurf, a type of artificial grass surface used especially for sports grounds. Meaning of pole vault, a sport in which you use a long pole to swing over a high barrier. Meaning of pursue, to follow somebody in order to catch him, her or it. Meaning of nerve-wracking, making you very nervous or worried. Meaning of awe-inspiring, causing a feeling of respect and fear or admiration. Meaning of breathless, having difficulty in breathing. Meaning of quenched, to satisfy your feeling of thirst by drinking a liquid. Meaning of confronted, to think about. Meaning of athlete, a person who can run, jump, etc. very well, especially one who takes part in sports competitions, etc. Meaning of grace, the ability to move in a smooth and controlled way. Meaning of intensity, quality of being intense. Meaning of quest, a long search for something that gives happiness. Meaning of fantasy, an act of imagining things. Meaning of numerous, many. A bird's eye view, view of all the aspects of something. Meaning of passion, very strong feeling. Meaning of recurring, to happen again or many times. Meaning of chunks, a thick, solid piece of something. Meaning of locomotives, a powered railway vehicle used for pulling trains. Meaning of soaring, to fly high in the air. Meaning of hardcore, strong. Meaning of motto, a saying that expresses aims and beliefs of a person. Meaning of regimented, strict and organized. Meaning of monitor, to check. Meaning of persistence, the fact of continuing in an opinion. Meaning of perfection, the state of being perfect. Meaning of obsession, a state in which a person's mind is completely filled with a thought of one particular thing. Meaning of striving, to write very hard to do or get something. Let us go through the comprehension question answers. First question, what was Michael Stone's dream? What was Michael Stone's dream, children? Yes, Michael Stone's dream was to fly high. Coming to the second question, what impact did the mother's stories have on Michael? Michael's mother's stories had a great impact on Michael since his childhood. So who used to tell the stories, children? So Michael's mother used to tell the stories. She told him a number of stories about flying as he was growing up. She described the land from a bird's eye view. Her excitement and passion for details made Michael's dreams full of color and beauty. He developed passion and love for flying. Coming to the third question. How did Michael prepare himself to become an Olympic champion, sister? How did he prepare himself? How did Michael prepare himself to become an Olympic champion, children? Yes, Michael worked hard from the age of 14. He began a very careful and regimented weightlifting program. He worked out every other day with weights and did running on alternate days. So every day, other days he used to participate in weightlifting program and alternate days he used to do running. The program was carefully monitored by Michael's father, who was also his coach and trainer. Constant preparation and determination were his vision. So my dear children, write the complete comprehension questions in your classwork. Now write the given glossary and comprehension question answers in your classwork and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you.